Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about your practical exercise number 175. That is, identify the control elements and wiring accessories used in control panel wiring. The controlling accessories and wiring accessories that are used in a control panel, different control panel. Today we identify that controlling element and wiring accessories. In this exercise, the objective are to identify the elements used for panel board wiring from the images or real objects provided. Then identify the wiring accessories used for panel board wiring from the real objects or figure and write their specification and uses. In this exercise, the requirements are 3-pole MCB 25 ampere 1 number, 2-pole MCB 6 ampere 1 number, and 3-phase isolating switch 1 number, push button red and green, push button with indicator lamp 1 number, contactor 3-phase 1 number, thermal overload relay 1 number, on delay timer 1 number, cable binding straps and bottom, lugs or thimble, PVC channel or raceway, DIN rail, G channel 100 mm, connector terminal 2 numbers, and ferrule. So these are the basic requirements for this exercise. Now the procedure: identify the control element and wiring accessories used in control panel. This is your 3-pole MCB protective element 415 volt 25 ampere. This is used for protect an electrical circuit from an overcurrent. This is your 2-pole MCB protective element, and this specification is 415 volt 6 ampere, and it is used for protect an electrical circuit from an overload current. Single pole MCB, this is also protective element, and its specification 240 volt 6 ampere and protect an electrical circuit from an overcurrent. Push button red, this is also a control element 220 volt 4 ampere, its specification, and this is used to start or stop motor. This is your push button switch. This is in color green. The green color push button switches are used to start the motor, and the red button push button switches are used to stop the motor. This is a push button with indicator lamp. This is also control element, and it's a specification 240 volt 10 ampere. This is your contactor, 3-phase contactor, and it is also control element. This switches high voltage purposes. This is your thermal overload relay. This is a protective elements, and specification 415 volt 25 ampere. This relay can be protect from motor drawing too much current. This is your timer control element. This is on delay, and it's a specification 110 or 220 volt AC, and it's a maximum delay time 60 minutes, and it can control circuit open or close before or after some time delay. This is your isolating switch. This is a control element. This is a 4-pole, and you also find 3-pole, 2-pole isolating switches, and its specification is 20 ampere. Physically disconnect and circuit any circuit. Physically disconnect any circuit when repair etc. are being done. This is your fuse. This is your fuse protective element, and these are used in 3 number, and it's a specification according to current rating. Physically, it also disconnect any circuit when repair are being done. This is your limit switch. It is also control element. Its specification is 6 ampere, used to operate a motion of a machine part. This controlled by a motion of any part or any machine. This is your cable binding straps. Its specification is 20 centimeter plastic nylon, or its purpose for binding the cables in a bunch. This is your logs, and its specification 1.5 square mm. It means that the wear size 1.5 square mm is accommodated with this, and its length is 6 mm, and it's supporting the connection of the cable. This is your PVC channel or raceway, and its specification 18 into 10 mm into 2 mm. 18 into 10, it's a width and depth, and 2 mm it's a thickness. Provide a pathway for electrical wear inside the control panel. All wires are going through it. This is your DIN rail, and its specification 35 mm into 7.5 mm. 35 mm is its width, and 7.5 mm is depth. This is used for mounting the control accessories. Every control accessories means your contactor, timer, overload relay, MCB, everything should be mounted over this. This is your G channel, and its specification 10 mm wide, and it made aluminum. It is used for mounting the control accessories like a terminal connector. This is your connector terminal, and it's a connection point at 12 position. So its specification is 12 position, and it used to connect the accessories of the control panel with a external control accessories, and it fixed or it mounted in the control panel by G channel. You can see the groove. There is a groove according to G channel, and it can be fitted over the G channel in the panel. These are the wear sleeves and its specification for 40-volt insulation. These are used to insulate the group of cables so that we provide another insulation over the wear. These are the grommets and its specification 318 inch used to insulate and hold the cable when they pass through a punched or drilled holes of panels. When the wire coming out from the panel through a hole, drilled hole, that drilled hole can be insulated by the grommet, and the wires are also held by this grommet. These are the wire clips. Its specification 5 mm. Its wide. These are used to fix and hold the cables or punch up cables in a secure manner. These are basically used on the door of the control panel to fix the wear